Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So blockchain backer, just going to throw this out there, a fishing line, and see if you can get a bite. I don't know if you guys have any insight on this. Are there any celebrities that are silently in the XRP community? Reply here. You're welcome with open arms. Want to remain private? DM me. I will keep it silent. I know of a few, and some people here in the comment section have also noted some stars like Scooter Braun, John Cena. I've never heard of the John Cena rumor. And I know that, who was it? Yeah, that's right, Ashton Kutcher. He was on Ellen DeGeneres' show a few years ago promoting Ripple and XRP. Don't know if they are holders specifically, but an interesting question to see if there are any celebrities in the XRP community. I think there was one hip-hop artist, too, that was actively trading XRP at a certain point. Anyway, put it down in the comments if you guys know of any. Did you see this from Leonidas? 3 months ago, Ethereum, the market cap of Ethereum was 11.6 times larger than that of XRP. So remember this, guys? Several months ago, November 2024, XRP was in the number 8 spot, while Ethereum was in number 2. Market cap for Ethereum over 384.3 billion, and that of XRP was only around 33.5 billion. Well, look how things have changed. The flippening is just a matter of time because now it is exactly 2 times larger. So that was when Leonidas did take that snapshot. Of course, we can see the updated numbers here. XRP in number 3. Right now, one XRP is trading at $2.79 per coin. And you can see it's almost 2x away from Ethereum. XRP's market cap at about 161.2 billion, whereas Ethereum's at 325.7 billion. And so it's not like we haven't seen that before. Even BitBoy Crypto coming out, taking it one step further, saying he thinks XRP is going to flip Bitcoin.
XRP is going to flip Bitcoin soon. That's right, guys. Watch this video until the very end to find out exactly how XRP is going to flip Bitcoin.
I mean, the how is really just a matter of who puts money into XRP versus who puts money into Bitcoin and how much money we're going to see flowing in. As you guys can see, market is still relatively stable, but we are expected to see another pump coming very soon. And so a few people here are commenting on the XRP Ethereum flippening. XRP is only 16% away from flippening Ethereum. This coming from QuakerOats.USA. So it is certainly on the minds of people in the crypto space, on top of which we've got David Sachs teasing an upcoming announcement on digital assets. And since, XRP is one of those American cryptocurrencies, could, another positive announcement from Trump's crypto czar, David Sachs, create more FOMO surrounding, some of these American cryptocurrencies to push them even higher? On February the 15th, President Trump's crypto czar, David Sachs, hinted at an important announcement regarding digital assets coming soon. This statement made via Twitter led to immediate market reactions across multiple cryptocurrency trading pairs. And so just gives us some numbers there with regards to some American cryptocurrencies in particular, like 88, Solana, and a couple of others there. The trading implications of David Sachs' hint are profound, as evidenced by the immediate volatility and increased trading activity across major cryptocurrency exchanges. The Bitcoin dominance rate, which measures Bitcoin market share, decreased from 45 to 43 within the first 2 hours, suggesting a shift in investor interest towards altcoins. Now, I did not see those metrics on the chart, but we're going to get back to Bitcoin dominance in a second. There's some more technical observations here regarding AI-related news, though, with no direct AI developments were mentioned from Sachs' tweet. The crypto market's reaction can be analyzed in the context of AI-driven trading algorithms. AI tokens, such as these particular tokens here, AGIX and FET, saw price increases of 8 and 7%. respectively. So he is the crypto and AI czar. And just with respect to that Bitcoin dominance that I was just mentioning, Cyclop here noticing now this is the most obvious bull setup I've seen in 7 years in crypto. Bitcoin dominance at supply and the Ethereum to Bitcoin level at demand. So that's an interesting chart to pay attention to as well. Here, let me bring up, I've got Bitcoin dominance up here already. We talked about this particular thing on the channel in the past, talking about this historic level of 70%. I don't think it's going to get up that high just because there's so many more altcoins in the space. Now we see Bitcoin wicking up at around 64%. Could that be the highest we get for this particular cycle? Guys, for more information on what I'm thinking, you can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel, creating a comprehensive cash out strategy over multiple posts. I posted 6 posts so far over the last couple of months, kind of describing what I'm going to be looking at as the overall broader picture for the crypto space. And I think this coming week, I'm going to be doing another live Q&A session for my Patreon subscribers. So patreon.com/workingmoneychannel, if that is something you are interested in. And you guys can ask me questions about the cash out strategy. I haven't been getting too many questions about the cash out strategy. I hope you guys are all settled with that. I know you're probably just waiting for what my next crypto targets are going to be. Anyway, let's take a look here at the Bitcoin dominance. We still haven't seen that major push downward. We've seen that struggle for Bitcoin gaining dominance here. But guys, when the market really FOMOs, we're going to see that Bitcoin dominance drop. Altcoins take over, and boom, that's pretty much the end of the cycle. And then there's the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, which I haven't taken a look at recently, I got to admit. But Ethereum to Bitcoin, I'm starting to wonder how relevant Ethereum is going to be this cycle. I mean, Ethereum has moved a little bit, but not too much. The dominance for Ethereum is also going down. So Ethereum dominance over Bitcoin, we did see that drop into support back in August, September 2019. Then it did go up again, but guys, we're seeing that drop again. We have been seeing that shift for Ethereum, and I'm wondering if cryptocurrencies like Solana are taking over in that particular case. Well, guys, we've also got XRP here, and I'm going to throw it on the hourly just because we have seen some exciting movements for XRP on the hourly. We did recently see a pump to the upside and then just a bit of a stall out. But this, guys, usually indicates the beginning of another big pump to the upside for XRP. I mean, we have reached $3.40 during this particular run. Many are suggesting we could get even higher. Even the XRP haters are predicting an 883% surge to as high as $24. Yes, Da Vinci, a notorious XRP hater, is saying that, yeah.
So where do I think XRP is going in 2025, since it already pumped to some of my targets that I thought it was going to pump in 2025? It did it to $2, almost $3, and I think it's going to go higher. I do believe XRP can get as high as $20, maybe $24 in this next bull run.
So $20 to $24 in this next bull run. Boy, guys, I mean, I could see it with real world utility. And so this is, again, one of the big things we're focusing on, making sure we get there before we can confidently assume that XRP could get to some of these price targets. And again, if you want to hear what my unvarnished opinion is at this particular moment, because guys, it's still a moving target, patreon.com/workingmoneychannel for that information. Citi is a Ripple custody partner. And guess what? State Street and Citi reportedly are eyeing crypto custody services. So State Street and Citi are considering offering crypto custody services. According to a report from The Information, the bank aims to provide safekeeping solutions to institutional investors, traders, and large funds. A bank executive told the report that State Street plans to roll out crypto custody services next year. The institution is one of the world's largest custody banks for traditional assets like stocks and bonds. Moreover, the report mentions that BNY Mellon, another Ripple partner which already provides custody services for Bitcoin and Ethereum, is looking to expand its offerings as well to include a broader range of tokens. So Citi expanding into crypto, not too far-fetched. I mean, Citi is one of the biggies, and they were connected to the now defunct Medico, which is now Ripple Custody. Remember this? We are witnessing the increasing digitalization of traditional investment assets along with new native digital assets. We are innovating and developing new capabilities to support digital asset classes that are becoming increasingly relevant to our clients. This coming from Okan Pekin, global head of security services at Citi. And this was posted on Medico's website several months ago now. So Citi is a Ripple custody partner through that Medico connection. Wanted to thank Chad for posting that. Also, we've got this guy's Japanese energy company Remixpoint has purchased $2.63 million in XRP and $1.3 million in Dogecoin, if you can believe it. Notably, the firm has disclosed plans to purchase up to 10 billion yen worth of crypto asset as part of its strategy to enter the crypto market, and has already purchased 9 billion yen worth as of February the 13th, 2025. So just a few days ago now. A newly released report includes a chart detailing the allocation of these holdings. So Bitcoin makes up the majority, followed by Ethereum, Solana, and interestingly, Guys, they're also purchasing XRP and Dogecoin. So diversifying into some of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, not a bad idea. And I mean, I'm not surprised that a Japanese firm is doing this. Japan has always been very crypto friendly. On top of which, I also happen to see this. Finastra, a Ripple partner, partnering up with Attune. Attune today announced a partnership with Finastra built on their successful collaboration in transforming digital lending for financial institutions. The companies have seamlessly integrated Finastra's Laser Pro loan document management and mortgage bot LOS loan or origination solutions with Attune's full stack engagement banking platform. Guys, the Attune end-to-end digital orientation platform delivers onboarding and digital lending with embedded cross-selling capabilities, all with a single workflow. And as a result, financial institutions are seeing an increase in numbers of applications they originate and close. So obviously helping the end user there. Banks are experiencing closing times that are 90% faster now with Attune running on Finastra, which does in fact run over the XRP ledger, one of the applications there that they can use to serve their clients better. So great news there for more companies, guys, becoming part of the Ripple family. I also happen to see this from Mr. Man here. Bark partners with Alipay Plus for cross-border payments. So I don't know if you guys know, there's no direct connection with Bark, but now Bark, considering they are partnered with Alipay, are indirectly connected to Ripple. I know Alipay is connected to the XRP ledger through secondary partnerships. So following this announcement, though, Bark will be part of Alipay's international network. So by extension, now Bark is going to be running on the XRP ledger. The move is part of the company's unified electric payments portal service, which includes over 35 digital wallets and banking apps worldwide. Alipay Plus is a mobile service from Ant International designed to expand the company's presence outside China, allowing for cross-border payments. Alipay integrates various payment methods from various countries and regions, allowing users to purchase products and services using their local payment systems, while merchants benefit from a comprehensive global payment platform. This collaboration paves the way for Bark to facilitate travel and shopping experiences for its customers, which will contribute to improving tourism in Saudi Arabia. So that's where they're located. It aims to provide its clients with more benefits and solutions that will make cross-border payments faster, easier, more flexible, and more secure. So the Saudi Arabian government has a vision for 2030. This aims to develop the financial sector, especially with the rapid growth being witnessed in the fintech and digital payment sector in the kingdom. And so obviously this is part of their strategy. And it's not just Saudi Arabia. Many Middle Eastern countries are doing the same. The UAE, also very crypto forward, I gotta say. So, the Middle East, very crypto forward in terms of, these Middle Eastern banks. We've heard of Ripple partner news through the Bank of Central Bank in Kuwait, the one in Qatar as well. As many other countries in the Middle East. So we're seeing this broadening out, and we're seeing this extension for partnerships and this extension of Ripple partnered companies partnering up with other companies around the world. So guys, again, extending that flywheel, secondary, tertiary partnerships. Now we're on fourth and fifth generation partnerships too. So wanted to thank Mr. Man just for bringing that to our attention. And I guess I should thank everybody else here who participated, like XRP Daily, of course, Chad Steingraber, Amelie here, Cyclop, wanted to thank him. Quaker Oats USA, Random Crypto Pal here, Leonidas, and the Blockchain Backer just for posting those today. Now, guys, there has been a rumor going around. Did the SEC finally declare XRP a commodity? I know this has been swirling around the space. The sponsor believes XRP is a commodity. Notice Crypto Eddie here putting this in quotes here. So these were proposed changes that were documented on February the 14th, 2025. The CBOE BZX Exchange, Inc. seeks to amend its rules to list and trade shares of the 21 shares core XRP trust. So this is what it is referring to, guys. These rule changes, if approved, would allow for a new type of investment vehicle focused on XRP to be traded on the CBOE BZX Exchange, providing investors with a new way to gain exposure to XRP without directly handling the cryptocurrency. So, in summary, here's what she says: traded in creation baskets of 10,000 shares. So we went over some of this the other day. So when you buy a share, though, you're indirectly investing in XRP because the trust holds XRP, and your share gives you a claim to a portion of that XRP. Be categorized under the existing rules for the commodity-based trust shares, which are designed for trusts that hold commodities like precious metals. But in this case, it's for the digital asset XRP. It includes measures for surveillance to prevent fraud and manipulation, to provide investor protections by ensuring transparency in pricing and disseminating key information. This product aims to prevent fraudulent practices. And so, again, this is from 21 shares, and Crypto Eddie here also linking the SEC document in here. So if we look down here, you can see 21 Shares is considered the sponsor. This is down here just on page 2. Just going up to the top, though, of the report, basically 21 Shares core XRP trust under this BZX rule. They are looking to make sure that it is classified as a commodity-based trust share. So that is what they're proposing. But has the SEC said, yeah, it's a green light? Done deal, folks, as Chad Steingraber. XRP is a commodity, ready to rock soon. Well, I don't know if I would count my chickens before they hatch, at least not quite yet. The sponsor believes XRP is a commodity. That is the term defined under the Commodity Exchange Act. But guys, the SEC has not necessarily said yes yet. Even Matthew Lany did post on this, just kind of giving us some more... giving us some screen grabs of the application. But here's where we get into the nitty-gritty. John Squire here letting us down, trying to let us down lightly maybe. The SEC has not officially classified XRP as a commodity. There is misinformation circulating claiming that the SEC labeled XRP as a commodity, but this is not true. In the submitted document, the entity stating that XRP is a commodity is the sponsor of the 21 Shares core XRP trust, not the SEC. So what does this mean really? The SEC has not confirmed that XRP is a commodity, at least not yet. The document reflects the opinion of the sponsor, not an official SEC statement. The SEC has previously argued that XRP is a security in its lawsuit against Ripple. Don't fall for misinformation, always verify official sources. So, this is the rumor that's been going around, but they have at least acknowledged it. So that is the positive news. Crypto Jer here posting this. Hey, Eleanor Turret, any truth to this? The SEC officially labels XRP as a commodity, putting it in the same league as gold and silver. This confirmation by the SEC is a significant step for crypto and regulatory clarity, certainly. And Eleanor Turret does clarify herself what she knows. Okay, they have acknowledged, noticed acknowledge, with 2 asterisks beside the word, that issuers are applying for a product that classifies XRP as a commodity asset within a securities wrapper. The security wrapper is the ETF itself, same as Ethereum and Bitcoin. You've seen, let's get back to that there. You've seen the SEC acknowledge quite a few of these products recently with other underlying assets the previous SEC may have been thinking about as securities, so Solana, Dogecoin, and ADA. Meanwhile, you've got the SEC pausing litigation over this very thing while the crypto task force works on figuring it out. So remember that statement the other day, the SEC saying we're going to pause some of the litigation against the crypto cases that do not involve fraud. So the ones that they're just kind of figuring out whether or not the cryptocurrency should be deemed a security or not. Those are the ones that they're pausing. The ones that where there was certainly fraud involved, they're not pausing those ones because that's a different matter altogether. So maybe they're doing this because we're starting to see more of these companies coming out saying, okay, we want this classified as a commodity now. So it may be that the SEC is acknowledging everything because this commission doesn't want to be seen as picking winners and losers. Well, it's definitely notable that they're not denying these products outright. I don't think we'll really know for sure what the SEC is thinking until they start engaging more on these applications. And then Eleanor Turret does mention here, small correction, I don't believe the SEC has actually acknowledged the ADA application yet, but Grayscale did file one for sure. They have acknowledged XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, and Litecoin so far. So that's a good step, maybe setting some precedent here. The interesting thing, Caitlyn Jenner responded to this. Great reporting as always. And yeah, this is Caitlyn Jenner's official account here, guys. 3.3 million followers. So is Caitlyn Jenner part of the XRP army? I don't know, blockchain backer. Maybe you should DM Caitlyn Jenner to see if it's true. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. And please subscribe to the Patreon if you're interested in seeing the kinds of coins I'm trading this bull run. I think more importantly, my strategy, because I am looking at this. I'm approaching this bull run a little differently than the last time. Patreon.com/workingmoneychannel for that information. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.